How to apply for a Wells Fargo credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to apply for the Wells Fargo credit card. In order to apply for the Wells Fargo credit card, all you have to do is follow the steps. First of all, open up a browser, and on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in www.creditcard.wellsfargo.com. It is going to take you to the official page where you can see the different types of credit card that is available on Wells Fargo. The application procedure is very simple. Just follow the instructions. Now, either you're applying for an active cash card or autographed journey card, the procedure is going to remain the same. So you have to go ahead and press on the apply now button. And as you click on the apply now button, it is going to take you to the application page where you need to go ahead and state about your information. First, you need to go ahead and provide your personal information, then your contact details and your security information, financial information, and card options, terms and condition, all of that, and click the submit button. And next page, you'll be taken to the confirmation stating that you've successfully applied for the credit card, and all you have to do is wait patiently until you get your credit card through mail. So that is how you could go ahead and apply for the credit card of Wells Fargo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.